Locating gas detector is one of the major challenge in oil and gas industry. In this particular video, we will be giving you 10 points which will help you to locate the gas detectors. Let's dive into it. Firstly, to detect gas lighter than air, such as methane and ammonia, install gas detector at high level and consider using collecting cone higher level from the point of leakage. Next, if the gases are heavier than air, like butane, sulfur dioxide, so the gases will be going downwards, right? After it gets leaked from the leakage point because they are heavier than air. So detector should be placed at a lower level from the point of leakage. Take into account the behavior of the escaping gases influenced by natural or forced air current. If suitable, place detectors in the ventilation ducts. So, from the point of the leakage, the gas is dispersed. Now, the dispersion of the gas is influenced by the air that is flowing in that area. When placing detector, consider potential damage from natural events such as rain, flooding. For outdoor installation, it is recommended to use weatherproof protection assembly. For the indoor installation, try to install it at a convenient location. For hot climates where detectors may be exposed to direct sunlight, use sunset to protect the device. Consider the process condition, such as gas like butane and propane are typically heavier than air but may rise when released from the process line at high temperature and pressure. Position detectors slightly away from the high pressure areas to allow the gas clouds to form. Otherwise, gas may pass by the high in a high speed jet without being detected. Ensure detectors are easily accessible for functional testing and maintenance. Install detectors with sensor pointing downwards to prevent dust or water from collecting on the sensor, which could block the gas entry. For open path infrared devices, make sure there are no permanent obstruction blocking the IR beam. Short-term blockages by the vehicles, personnel, or birds can be managed. Ensure the structure used to mount open path devices are stable and not prone to vibration.